Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of square root of I plus square root of negative I is equal to what? Where I is an imaginary number. Let's consider x is equal to square root of I plus square root of negative I, or taking square to both sides, we can write here x square is equal to square root of I plus square root of negative I whole square, or x square is equal to, here we can apply a algebra rule. The rule is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Apply this rule here, we can write square root of I square plus 2 times square root of I times square root of negative I plus square root of negative I whole square, or x square is equal to, this square cancel out this square root, so it will be remaining I, plus here we can write 2 square root of I times negative I, plus here we will get negative I, or x square is equal to I plus 2 times square root of I times negative I, here plus times minus, it will be remaining minus I, or x square is equal to, this I cancel out this I because it is a positive and it is a negative, so we will get 2 square root of negative I square, or x square is equal to 2 square root of negative times negative 1, because I square is equal to negative 1, or x square is equal to 2 times negative, it will be positive square root of 1, or x square is equal to square root of 1, that means 1, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Now taking a square root to both sides, we will get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 2, but remember x is equal to square root of I plus square root of negative I, so the value of square root of I plus square root of negative I is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.